Sinulog, one of the Philippines' largest and most vibrant festivals, continues to shine brightly, with Globe Telecom as a steadfast supporter throughout the years. This year, Globe Sinulog 2025 returns in full force, elevating the festivities with enhanced connectivity, engaging activities, and exciting rewards for subscribers. On Wednesday, January 17, 2025, Globe officially launched the Globe Sinulog Experience Booth in partnership with the Bisayala Trade Fair. The event, held at Ayala Center Cebu, is a collaboration with Seda Hotel and the Ayala Business Club Cebu. The trade fair runs from Friday, January 17 to Sunday, January 19, offering a dynamic lineup of activities to celebrate the festival. At the Ayala Center Cebu Activity Center, Globe has set up an interactive booth, including the Globe Sinulog 2025 swag station, Globe Business, 𝗕𝗶𝘀 prepaid booth, and the 0917 booth. Visitors can enjoy exciting promos and claim exclusive items such as tumblers, a personalized hats, fans, stickers, and tote bags. Under the official tagline, "Kasama mo kami with Globe," Globe emphasizes its partnership with Cebu and celebrating this important cultural moment. That tagline reflects Globe's dedication to standing side by side with the community and subscribers.
There are a lot of booths there. Okay, so all you do is go there, register, and it's all different. Like if you have a Globe and you show it there, you get a reward. You play this game, you get a reward. It's all about, and then you can also have things personalized or customized in some of the booths. GCash are also there. And then
we also help educate customers about the safety of your online activities. Like GCash will talk about how not to be scammed.
Or fintech,
in a way that it's gamified, so it's easy for you to like follow.
Yeah, very good items too. That's why they have to go there and find out what it is. Probably I just won't say, so that they'll just go, you know. So, I mean, it's very important.
Building on last year's Passion City theme, Globe introduces personalization for Sinulog 2025, prioritizing its subscribers by ensuring they feel heard and valued.
Kung ano yung gusto ng mga customers na ma-experience. Yeah, but this year, we learned na they really want to customize things and make it more personal to them. Actually, more and more, we're making our services more relevant and more personal to the individual. So if you go and look at our swag booth, for example, in Ayala Mall now.
That's why we listen to Gala's point. It's actually what the customers want. No, for that year is what we follow. So, and we do research for that, right?
Yes,
yes.
To enhance the Sinulog experience, Globe has boosted its network connectivity across Cebu, ensuring reliable internet throughout the festival's event.
We just don't boost it. We add more specifically for Sinulog.
Yeah,
big events. Like we have in Ayala, definitely we add there. In Cebu City Sports Complex, where the competition and the Grand Parade will be, in Fuente, in the different spots along Cebu, and then somewhat so Pulipula. So
to make sure that the network is consistent and that can service the crowd.
So when we see a drop in some of the signals in different parts of the area, that is being called out by our engineers, and you know we'd like to really thank all the engineers for that.
The celebration culminates on Sunday, January 19, 2025, with an exciting concert night and a spectacular fireworks display, bringing the Sinulog spirit to life.
We just really want to thank our subscribers and to let them know that kasama mo kami in celebrating Sinulog this year.
Yes, what she said, kasama nyo kami in Sinulog and also in Cebu.
This has been 𝗕𝗶𝘀𝗆𝗍 for 𝗫TV Cebu.